I don't want to. I don't. I want to. Uh, I want to narrow down the instances of happy accidents. I mean, artists talk about that, about the accidents that they have in the paintings and things unexpectedly happen, and those are fine, and they're fine when they do happen. But I don't plan for happy accidents as much as I can. I remembered someone had pointed out a teacher I had in high school had pointed out that in talking about Leonardo da Vinci, how much he observed and translated what the things that he saw, um, and he left less room for happy accidents. The more of a there was room for part of it being a science, and room. I know I'm not the only one. I know there are other artists who also uh, have this passion to draw and maybe not have that time that they wanted. Maybe feel that they aren't as successful as they wanted to be and so forth, and they gotta deal with life, and it's too much. And well, you know what? Do as much as you can.